Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Beauty Creations Polvo Compacto is probably one of the most versatile and essential items in any makeup collection, offering a flawless finish that can set your foundation, mattify oily skin, or even be used for touch-ups throughout the day, ensuring your look stays perfected from morning to night with its finely milled texture that blends seamlessly. Number 5. BEAKEY Makeup Brushes with 2 Blending Sponges. Introducing the BEAKEY Makeup Brushes Set, your ultimate solution for a flawless finish. This comprehensive set includes everything you need for both face and eye makeup application. Perfect for beginners, these tools are designed for ease of use. Achieve professional-looking results without the hassle, making your makeup routine simpler and more enjoyable. Crafted with ultra-soft synthetic fibers, they ensure a gentle touch on your skin. Experience comfortable application and a smooth blending experience every time. Achieve the perfect level of coverage, from light to full. These brushes allow for buildable application, ensuring your foundation and eyeshadow look seamless. This set also comes with 2 versatile blending sponges. Use them to apply foundation, concealer, or even blend out cream products for an airbrushed effect. From perfecting your base to creating stunning eye looks, this set has you covered. It's the essential collection for any makeup enthusiast. What we like? This set is perfect for beginners looking to build their makeup collection. The soft synthetic fibers ensure a gentle application for light, buildable coverage. If you're just starting out or need a reliable set for everyday looks, this is a great choice. What people say. This powder is very fine and leaves a smooth finish. It helps to control oil and shine throughout the day. The packaging is sleek and convenient for on-the-go touch-ups. Number 4. Eyebrow Soap Kit, 2-pack. Tired of unruly eyebrows? Get ready to shape and define your brows like never before with this amazing soap kit. Experience incredible, long-lasting hold that keeps your brows in place all day. Our formula is designed to be waterproof, ensuring your look stays flawless. Achieving salon-worthy brows is simple. Just a little water and you're ready to sculpt and set your desired look with ease. Enjoy a natural yet perfectly defined brow appearance. This balm helps to create a polished look that enhances your features. This value pack includes 2 units, ensuring you have plenty of product to maintain your perfect brows. It's the ideal solution for your daily makeup routine. What we like? Achieve perfectly sculpted brows that last all day with this kit. Its waterproof formula ensures your brows stay in place through any weather or activity. If you desire full, defined, and smudge-proof eyebrows, this product is ideal for you. What people say. It is a good product, it is very good for my skin, it does not leave it oily, and it is very good for my skin. It is a good product, it is very good for my skin, it does not leave it oily, and it is very good for my skin. Number 3. Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Pressed Powder. Tired of shine? Get a perfectly matte complexion that lasts all day. This powder helps blur the appearance of pores for a smooth finish. Say goodbye to visible pores. This formula is designed to minimize their appearance, leaving your skin looking refined and flawless. Enjoy a fresh, matte look from morning to night. It sets your makeup without feeling heavy or cakey. Experience comfortable wear all day long. Its lightweight formula blends seamlessly into your skin. This pressed powder is your go-to for a natural, matte finish. It's perfect for touch-ups throughout the day. Achieve a natural-looking matte finish that enhances your skin. It controls shine without looking dull. What we like? Get a smooth, shine-free complexion with this pressed powder. It effectively blurs pores for a flawless appearance without feeling heavy. If you have oily skin or prefer a natural matte finish, this is a must-have for your makeup bag. What people say. The powder is very fine and gives a smooth finish. It helps to control oil and shine throughout the day. The packaging is sleek and travel-friendly. Number 2. Aesthetica Translucent Setting Powder. Introducing our translucent setting powder, designed to give you a smooth, matte finish. It's the perfect final touch for your makeup routine. Never worry about flashback in photos again. This loose powder foundation is formulated to be flash-friendly, ensuring you look great in any light. Experience a lightweight feel that doesn't cake or crease. It sets your makeup naturally, providing a soft focus effect. For your convenience, this loose face powder comes with a soft velour puff. Application is made easy and even. Lock in your look all day with this essential setting powder. It helps control shine and keeps your makeup looking fresh for hours. What we like. This translucent powder provides a beautiful matte finish without any white cast in photos. It's designed to be flash-friendly, making it perfect for events and photo shoots. If you're concerned about flashback or want a smooth, pore blurring effect, this is the one to choose. What people say. It leaves a matte finish. It has a good coverage. It is very light on the skin. Number 1. Nespresso Ispirazione Variety Pack. Embark on a journey of exquisite taste with our Ispirazione Espresso Variety Pack. Explore a curated selection of medium roast coffees, each offering a unique and captivating espresso experience. Indulge in the rich aromas and complex profiles of our 100-count espresso pods. From bold and intense to smooth and aromatic, find your new favorite blend. These carefully selected pods are designed for those who appreciate the art of espresso. Experience the authentic Italian coffee tradition, delivered right to your cup. Savor the balanced and nuanced flavors of our medium roast selection. Each pod is expertly crafted to deliver a consistently delicious and satisfying espresso. Enjoy the ultimate convenience without compromising on quality. Simply pop in a pod and brew a perfect espresso in moments, anytime you desire. Elevate your coffee ritual with this exceptional variety pack. It's the perfect way to explore different tastes and find the espresso that truly inspires you. What we like. Explore a range of rich espresso flavors with this variety pack. These medium roast capsules offer a delightful coffee experience. If you enjoy trying different espresso profiles or need a convenient way to enjoy quality coffee at home, this large pack is perfect. What people say. It has a very fine texture, it doesn't feel heavy on the skin, and it leaves a natural finish. It helps to control oil and shine throughout the day, keeping the makeup looking fresh. The packaging is sturdy and convenient for on-the-go touch-ups. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.